So the technique we're going to work on is the overhand punch. This is very similar to the cross. We're just changing the angle. So from the rear hand, I'm going to stand right-handed. The way that this punch catches people is it doesn't go straight in. It's actually coming over their guard, okay? So the way the angle, again, moving from my center, the punch comes straight over and it loops over the last second. And there's this, a lot of people call this the haymaker. But I want to make that motion as small as possible. Sometimes though, looping it big helps because you have opponents that are extremely good at guarding against straighter punches. So I'm bringing it over, moving from my center, and my foot is rotating and my center is rotating. And the recovery is really important on this. As I throw it, I want to come right back. Now, if you have problems with this, try, and we'll get into this a little later, you can weave in case you're worried about your opponent countering. But basically, I want that retrieval to come right back. As I throw the punch, I'm moving from my center, and that foot is rotating and right back. Moving, right back. So you want to try? Come over, exactly, right back. Perfect. Yep. It's application of the overhand. So I like to throw a jab, and right behind it, come over their guard. Okay? So jab, right over their guard. The thing about this move is that actually, even if he has a little higher guard, I can still hit through, and I can actually come through his hands here, okay? So, with this, it's also an excellent counterattack if somebody throws a really lazy jab. I'm just coming over, overhand, okay? And you throw it, go ahead, see? And also, like, again, make sure your recovery is spot on for attacks. Like, so say I'm punching, make sure, okay? A lot of people throw this and leave it out, yep. Big mistake, okay? So that's super important, just the angle of it changing, okay? A little over. Kind of like you're swimming, right? So over here, you're just kind of that angle, all right? So work on the overhand punch. It's very effective. Don't throw it all the time. It's mainly used when your opponent is expecting straight punches.